Looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that packs a punch? Look no further than the IQOO Z9s and Z9s Pro. In this video, we'll dive deep into these two mid-range powerhouses to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your needs. Both the Z9s and Z9s Pro offer impressive specs and features, but there are some key differences that set them apart. Let's break it down. Both phones sport a sleek, modern design with a large 6.77-inch AMOLED display. Differences: the Z9s Pro boasts a slightly higher peak brightness for improved outdoor visibility. Processor: the Z9s is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300, while the Z9s Pro gets a boost from the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. The latter offers superior performance for gaming and demanding tasks. RAM and storage: both phones come with ample RAM and storage options to handle your daily needs. Main camera: both have a 50MP main camera capable of capturing great photos and videos. Secondary camera: the Z9s Pro has an 8MP ultra-wide camera, while the Z9s has a 2MP depth sensor. If you're a fan of wide-angle shots, the Z9s Pro has the edge. Capacity: both phones pack a 5,500 mAh battery for all-day endurance. Charging: the Z9s Pro supports faster 80W charging, while the Z9s offers 44W charging. To summarize, the IQOO Z9s Pro offers superior performance, a wider-angle camera, and faster charging. However, the Z9s is still a great option for those on a tighter budget. Which phone is right for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews.